Tammy Slaton has always been one of the most talked about reality TV personalities, but now she is making even bigger headlines than ever before. The 1000 LB Sisters star is flaunting a dramatic new look after reportedly undergoing a bold facelift, and fans cannot stop buzzing about how much the star transformation hints at her future. From years of battling health struggles and body weight issues to finding self-confidence in her newly revealed appearance, Tammy's evolution has sparked a tidal wave of reactions, speculations, and excitement across the fandom. The TLC star who once fought for her life is now showing off a glow that many fans never thought they would see, and it seems like she is only getting started. When Tammy first appeared on the show, viewers were introduced to a woman overwhelmed by medical issues, oxygen dependency, and near immobility. She openly shared her frustrations, her dark battles with food addiction, and the fear that she may not live long enough to see her dreams come true. Her journey was raw, painful, and often heartbreaking, but also filled with determination and the kind of resilience that drew people in. Now, after years of surgeries, rehabilitation, and lifestyle changes, Tammy is ready to surprise the world with a look that represents more than just physical change. It is symbolic of a new chapter in her life. The talk about Tammy's facelift began when pictures of her surfaced online showing her face slimmer, tighter, and glowing in ways that fans had not seen before. The noticeable difference in her jawline, cheeks, and even her overall expression sparked endless debates about whether she had gone under the knife. While some critics questioned the authenticity of the transformation, Tammy herself seemed proud and unapologetic, radiating confidence that silenced much of the negativity. Her boldness in embracing the possibility of cosmetic procedures reflects a newfound courage to live her life without holding back. Cosmetic surgery is not new in the world of reality stars, but Tammy's decision, if confirmed, would mark a powerful statement. It shows she is not just surviving anymore, she is thriving. Having overcome near-death experiences due to her weight, tracheotomy procedures, and countless hospital stays, Tammy seems determined to take control of her narrative in ways no one expected. Fans have long rooted for her to not only regain her health but also discover self-love and self-expression. And now it appears that the facelift is part of that mission. The facelift rumors also opened a larger conversation about Tammy's potential future moves. With her confidence soaring, many are wondering whether this transformation is tied to new opportunities outside the show. Could Tammy be preparing to launch a new personal brand, become an influencer in the world of body positivity, or even step into modeling? Her polished look certainly suggests she has plans that go beyond just filming her TLC reality series. Social media has exploded with speculation about endorsements, fashion shoots, or even motivational speaking tours. For someone who was once underestimated, Tammy's boldness is proving that she has more star power than critics gave her credit for. Supporters online have flooded her with encouragement, celebrating her courage to embrace change at her own pace. The shift in perception is remarkable. Fans who once pitied her now praise her strength and ambition. It's not just about how she looks but about what her new appearance represents: survival, recovery, and the willingness to embrace life fully. Tammy's facelift is more than cosmetic. It symbolizes her evolution into someone who is no longer confined by her past struggles. Of course, not everyone is on board. Some skeptics claim that Tammy's new look might overshadow the authentic message of her weight loss journey, suggesting that cosmetic procedures could send mixed signals to fans who admired her raw honesty. Others argue that as long as Tammy is happy and healthy, her decisions should be respected. The debate only fuels the fascination with her story, keeping her at the center of attention and ensuring her name continues to trend on social media platforms. Another factor driving fan curiosity is how Tammy's transformation will impact the dynamic of 1000 LB Sisters itself. TLC thrives on documenting personal growth and drama, and Tammy's new appearance could breathe fresh energy into the series. Viewers are already anticipating how her family, including Amy Slaton and other siblings, will react to her bold choices. Will they support her new confidence, or will tensions arise from the drastic change? The reality of family drama often makes for good television, and fans cannot wait to see how this plays out on screen. Beyond the show, Tammy's facelift could also be a step toward a bigger spotlight in the entertainment industry. She has already gained massive online popularity with her TikTok presence, where she showcases humor, sass, and real-life updates that fans adore. With a sleeker, more refined look, opportunities could come knocking for brand collaborations or even appearances outside of TLC. She has the potential to rebrand herself entirely, moving from a reality TV star defined by her struggles to a public figure celebrated for her triumphs. Some insiders speculate that Tammy's transformation might align with a personal milestone, such as a relationship update or even wedding plans with fiancé Andrea Dalton. A new look often accompanies a new life chapter, and fans are eager to connect the dots between her physical changes and her private happiness. If Tammy does indeed tie the knot soon, her facelift could symbolize a bride ready to walk into her future with renewed confidence in style. Tammy's journey has always been deeply intertwined with themes of self-acceptance and breaking free from limitations, and this latest chapter only reinforces her trajectory. While many fans focus on the cosmetic aspect of her facelift, the bigger picture is her ability to keep moving forward despite years of challenges. She embodies the idea that transformation is not just about weight loss or surgery but about creating the life you want. What stands out most is Tammy's resilience. For years, fans feared that her story might end in tragedy, but she continues to rewrite the narrative. The facelift, whether surgical or simply the result of continued health improvements, highlights her ability to surprise everyone. It signals that Tammy is no longer living in survival mode. She is thriving, planning, and making bold moves that point toward a future filled with possibilities. As Tammy embraces her bold new look, the buzz surrounding her continues to grow. Whether she is preparing for bigger career steps, a personal milestone, or simply enjoying her newfound confidence, one thing is certain: Tammy Slaton is not done yet. Her facelift is only the beginning of a new chapter that promises to be just as gripping as the journey that made her famous. Fans will be watching closely, not just to see what she does next, but to cheer her on as she steps into her big future moves with the strength, sass, and determination that have defined her all along. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.